Good morning to all. Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
So,
So क्या अभी उठे सबके सब?
नहीं sir.
We're supposed to do booklet and HCV. Which do we start with?
The booklet.
Booklet. Exercise 1. Ranveer is asking, is the empty paper tough? Yes. Second, every topic gets equal weightage. Errors and measurements से लेकर ऐसा नहीं कि current topics got more weightage. No. Every topic gets equal weightage.
सर आपने चेक किया?
नाम का वास्ते मैंने सेट किया है, but because the syllabus has not been completed in centers like Chembur, ... other centers where it is not done, those faculty requested removal of certain questions, which I gave from shielding. So right now your syllabus is up to electrostatics Gauss law, including flux. Only shielding has been removed. From shielding, I gave one complete match the column which we had to remove. So the question paper became a combination. When they wanted the question to be removed, I told them, give them whatever question you need to be incorporated. So it became a combination of 3 to 4 faculty members paper. Right? So your syllabus is up to Gauss law, electrostatics, Gauss law, including flux, excluding shielding.
सर वो ग्राउंडिंग वाले क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं भाई, शील्डिंग निकाल दिया, ग्राउंडिंग कचक ग्राउंडिंग कहां से दे दूंगा मैं? हाँ
सर आप लाइक बुकलेट और इसके बाद लाइक अगर कुछ और क्वेश्चन में डाउट है तो ले सकते हो?
आज नहीं ले सकूंगा क्योंकि एक और डाउट लेक्चर है मेरा। सुबह अकोला का हुआ है, अभी तुम लोगों का हो रहा है, एक और डाउट लेक्चर है बिकॉज ऑफ एमटी, राइट? Somebody is asking, is the paper lengthy? I don't know. I didn't sit and solve. And even if I solve, I'll not get an idea because I am slower than almost all of you. If I solve the paper, I am slower than almost all of you. You people will be much faster than me. At least I believe so. Somebody is typing no. So length of the paper, unless you people tell me, I will not be able to comment.
सर पेपर टफ बनाया क्या?
When I saw the complete paper, I felt many of you will concentrate on current topics and forget the past. They will be in trouble. Whoever is concentrating on current topics and forgot the past topics will be in big time trouble. Please revise at least your class notes right from the start. अब एक्सरसाइज 1 के प्रॉब्लम नंबर्स तो बोलो।
सर पेपर टफ बनाया है या ऐसे कॉन्सेप्चुअल इजी है?
ये बंदा कौन है? भागते हुए घर जाकर इसको पकड़ना है। कहाँ रहते हो भाई साहब आप?
सर अंधेरी ईस्ट।
अरे वाह, अब तो मेट्रो से पहुंच जाऊंगा। कहाँ रहते हो बताओ? तुझे क्वेश्चन पेपर चाहिए, वो नहीं मिलेगा, राइट?
ओके सर।
Hey, this boy is the
सर तो मतलब
long-haired boy
इजी कर।
in flagship 2, right?
यस
Yes,
सर।
sir.
यस सर।
Sir, integration.
हाँ, integration boy, right?
सर पर मतलब इजी कर दिया होता तो अच्छा हो जाता।
ये कौन है यार? यार अगर यही डिस्कस करना था तो फोन पर कर लेते, जूम का मीटिंग लेक्चर काहे का? इजी करना है, छोटा करना है, क्वेश्चन पेपर चाहिए, कौन सा टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन आया है, कौन सा क्वेश्चन दिया है, आंसर की भी बता दूंगा। और क्या चाहिए आपको? 2 दिन वेट कीजिए, संडे शाम तक क्वेश्चन पेपर आंसर की के साथ सब कुछ दे दूंगा। Exercise 1, no doubts. Exercise 2.
What? Sir, exercise 147.
हाँ, अभी लाइन पर 47.
So 6.
06.
Yes. And 22.
22. 'Now look at this doubt. One of the student types, sir, is capacitors really coming in empty? अब इसका क्या करना है बोलो? ओ भाई साहब, हर्ष, switch on your camera. I want to see your face. आप लोगों को कैपेसिटर्स इंट्रोड्यूस किया है मैंने?
नहीं सर।
तो फिर बंदा ये तो स्पैमर ही है।
तो चला भी गया।
तो स्पैमर ही होगा। हाँ, तो 3 ही डाउट्स। अच्छे बच्चे यार। सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन क्या है भाई? सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन बहुत बार किया है। This is a finite wire. You want me to solve the problem or you want me to tell you how to guess the answer? If none of this is not there,
Okay sir, guess the answer.
guess the answer. एक ही problem है, none of these नहीं होना है। तब क्या
Okay.
होता है? When this is of infinite length, this is k lambda by r, this is k lambda by r, this is r. This angle is 45 degree. कौन सा एंगल पूछा है उसने? This angle is 45 degree. क्यों भाई साहब 45? क्यों? दिस बोथ आर। अभी अगर आप ये
Yes sir.
फाइनाइट बना रहे हो तो यहाँ घटा रहे हो ना यार, all of this is being removed, so this will decrease. If this component decreases, the resultant will move towards this at an angle lesser than 45. Only one option, 30 degrees is lesser than 45. But to answer this way, none of these should not be there in the paper. Hence, जबरदस्ती none of these लिखवाया हमने उस क्वेश्चन में ताकि बच्चा सॉल्व करे। Take an element, integrate both y component and x component. Infinite वायर का किया है, finite वायर का किया है, semi infinite किया हुआ है। Method of integration is the same. Two. Oh. Hey, you people are having fun. 22 डाउट हो ही नहीं सकता. ये डाइपोल है. यहाँ पर डायरेक्शन ऑफ फील्ड पूछ रहे हो आप. दिस इज ER, दिस इज E थीटा. पॉइंट P बोला ना यार. माइनस Q प्लस Q. ER E थीटा. दिस इज थीटा. और क्या चाहिए अब? इसका रिजल्टेंट डायरेक्शन किस तरह होगा? किस तरह होगा? दैट्स माय आंसर. 47. This is the plane. So can I calculate if this is R, this distance is how much? X दिया हुआ है. So what will this radius be? Root over of R square minus X square. Sigma into pi R square minus X square is the charge enclosed inside. Divided by epsilon naught will be the flux.
Okay, sir.
$39. $39. 39th में you have this cutter and you want the field. इसका radii given as R, 3R, this is R, this is 3R, this will be 2R. You want the field here if I am right. Right? And he intentionally used the speed symbol sigma for coulomb per meter. Sigma is used for coulomb per meter. Right? This is the charge. Complete sphere ka field here will be rho, rather here sigma. Sigma, what will this distance be? This is R, this is R. Sigma 2R by 3 epsilon naught. Complete sphere ka field here. Minus field because of the removed sphere. If I call this cube, K cube by 2R whole square. This point comes outside this. So K cube by 2R square minus field because of this removed part is 0. This is my answer. We used to use the symbol rho while they used the symbol sigma. Exercise 2.
सर आई थिंक क्वेश्चन 15 में आंसर गलत है.
1-5.
यस सर.
1-5. X, Y are large parallel plate conductors 15. X and Y are large parallel plate conductors. Each face has an area capital A. X is given a charge of Q, is Y is not given any charge. Right? Y is without any charge. Point A, B, C are as shown in the figure. Now, which bit do you think is wrong?
Oh no, sir, I just said that Y is without any charge. I had missed that point. Sorry.
So this will become Q by 2 minus Q by 2, Q by 2, Q by 2. Here field will be sigma by epsilon naught, Q by 2 by epsilon naught, Q by 2 epsilon naught. Here field will be, because of both of them, sigma by epsilon naught, Q by 2 epsilon naught. Q by 2 epsilon. 2A epsilon naught. I forgot A everywhere. I forgot A everywhere.
Yes, sir.
My bad. Can I rub the board?
Yes.
Exercise 3.
So
No, the
exercise 2,
strength of
one
the
more.
class tells me that either you people don't have doubts in this particular chapter or you people have not done it. Anyway, doesn't matter.
So question 11 in exercise 2.
And also
Exercise
21.
2, question 11. Electric dipole, exercise 2, question number 11. Electric dipole at the center of the sphere. If I have a dipole here, this is minus Q and Q. Flux will be 0. Field will not be 0. Potential along this will be 0. Potential anywhere else will not be 0. क्या दिक्कत है? Flux through that particular sphere will be 0 because net charge enclosed is 0. Right? Field कहीं पर 0 नहीं होगा यार. Potential along this line. If this is the dipole, along this line, the circle that you draw will be 0. Can I rub the board?
Yes. Sir.
Question 7 कोई बोल रहा है. Question 7. Hey. Question number 7 में you are giving something like this. This is the field. This will have x and y component. X component is 10 raised to 5, y component is 10 raised to 5. Right? Making an angle of alpha. This will be t plus t cos alpha. This will be t sin alpha and this will be m. So q into 10 raised to 5. Field is 10 raised to 5, right? Field is 10 raised to 5 into q. Should be equal to t sin alpha. Q into 10 raised to 5 plus t cos alpha is equal to m. तो क्या चाहिए? Now I have a feeling this will have two answers. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
बात
sir.
है.
Now here you will have E this way and D this way. Now this will be T, this will be mg. Now resolve this in this direction. You take this as alpha. This will be alpha. mg plus T cos alpha. This will be T sin alpha. Q into E, Q into E. One second, wait, there's somebody at the door. Can I
सर
drop the board?
सर इसको 2 बार सॉल्व करने की जगह पहले बार सॉल्व करके जो एक्सप्रेशन आता है वो mg अपॉन sin थीटा प्लस cos थीटा आता है, उसमें sin थीटा कैन बी √3/2 और cos थीटा कैन बी √3/2, तो उससे दोनों एंगल एक साथ आते हैं.
But for us to visualize, it will be easy if they take it this way. Hence, I drew it separate.
ओके सर.
Exercise 2 में anything else? Exercise 3.
So matching type problems, question 3 C and D.
Question 3 C and D. I'll give you a hint for question 3. ध्यान से सुनिए, everything will become easy. You have one dipole like this, one dipole like this. Right? This is P, this is √3P. Can I find out the resultant dipole? Resultant is P square plus 3P square. This is root over of 4P square 2P. So literally remove this. Remove this. I have only one dipole of 2P. At what angle? At what angle? This theta will be how much? Root tan theta will
60
be
degrees. Yes, sir.
60 degree. अब एक डाइपोल के वजह से जो चाहिए वो कैलकुलेट.
Okay, sir.
एक ही डाइपोल है. And what is it? Making an angle of 60 with x axis. अब वो फील्ड पूछेगा, पोटेंशियल पूछेगा, कहाँ पूछेगा, मैक्सिमम पूछेगा, मिनिमम पूछेगा, जो चाहिए वो पूछेगा. Exercise
Passage is
4,
question 7.
passage.
The question 7, like in the second passage.
You got the minimum distance of approach.
Yes, so same thing, yeah.
So acceleration is, once you know the distance, k q1 q2 by r square by n. एक बार minimum distance आ गया, k q1 q2 by r square divided by m.
O is equal to, yeah, got it. Sorry, bad doubt.
Exercise 4.
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10.
Yes, sir. 10
Exercise 4. Question number 10.
and 3.
Now this will be P, this will be electrostatic repulsion, this will be mg, this will be normal. Right? Here some angle is given, this is alpha, I take it as beta. electrostatic repulsion. This is T, this is N2, this is N1, this will be Mg. Now, if the particles should be in equilibrium, you equate the forces on this, you equate. Make it three forces, use Lamis theorem. Lamis theorem, yaad hai?
Yes,
T
sir.
minus Fe will be the electrostatic force here. Can I remove this and say T minus Fe? Same T minus Fe will be the force on this, remove it. Now, three forces. You know alpha means you will get these angles, right? Not difficult. Mg divided by sine of this angle, N1 divided by sine of this angle, T minus Fe divided by sine of this angle. Next, what they are asking, if the string is cut, find the acceleration. चार forces की वजह से body is in equilibrium. String is cut. बाकी तीन forces के वजह से normal force N1 will not contribute to any acceleration down the inclined plane, right? It will be only because of Fe and Mg. Resolve Fe this way, Mg this way, resultant acceleration आ जाए.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Also, third question, sir.
Third question may find out the force on due to the dipole. Because of the dipole, can you find out the field here?
Yes, sir.
Field into charge, will I get the force on this charged particle?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can I get the force on this charged particle?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can I get the force on this charged particle? All charges are equal. एक का calculate करो, दूसरा का आ जाएगा. इसका
Same होगा,
calculate.
हाँ.
So equal and opposite reaction on the dipole, तीन forces का resultant लेना. You get the force on this, call it F1, call it F2, call it F3. All three forces with opposite direction on the dipole. Can I take the resultant?
Yes, sir.
नहीं किया वैसा आप लोगों ने ये चैप्टर बुकलेट से नहीं किया. It's okay. After the major test also I'll take it out. HCV cos law. One. Objective 1, sixth question. As the rod is entering in, the charge on it is increasing. So the flux will be increasing till the rod comes till here. Once the rod comes till here, the quantity of charge inside will remain constant. Then the rod is going out. As the rod is going out, quantity of charge is decreasing. Whole of the game is about Q by epsilon naught. So this will be the flux versus time. As the rod is, let us assume the marker is the rod. It's entering in. As it is entering, the length of the rod inside is increasing. So positive charge inside the Gaussian surface is increasing. Flux is increasing. आप लोगों ने किया है कि नहीं किया है या डाउट्स नहीं? अच्छे बच्चे, फ्लैगशिप 1 एंड 2 के बच्चे, तो तैयारी चल रहा है मेजर टेस्ट का।
Sir, question 11, madam. Question 11.
11. Charge Q distributed uniformly within the material of a hollow sphere of inner radius or outer radius. Electric field at a point P. X is between R1 and R2, between 0 to 2, or draw a rough graph showing the electric field as a function of X from 0 to 2 R2. Have a look at it. 11th one may, I'll give you the expressions, you will draw the graph. I will not draw the graph because I have less marks. This is R1, this is R. Inside field is 0. Here, field. How do I take the field? Consider a Gaussian surface. Closed integral E dot ds. Rho into 4 by 3 pi R cube minus 4 by 3 pi R1 divided by epsilon naught. E into 4 pi R square is equal to rho 4 by 3 pi by epsilon naught R cube minus R1. 4 pi will go. E is equal to rho by 3 epsilon naught R cube minus R1 cube by R square. This is field in between. Field outside will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by R square. Field inside, field between R1 and R2, field outside. A graph decimus.
Sir, I got this one, but sir, can we take at a distance x and then integrate like that? Because उससे अलग आ रहा था.
क्या इंटीग्रेट करोगे तो अलग आएगा. गॉस लॉ भी वही से किया है हमने.
We should get the same when we do k dq by x square.
100%. dq क्या?
dq will be charge of the thin shell, which will go from R1 to x.
You want to calculate the field at which point?
At x, which is in between R1 and
Where? Inside the shell, in the charge or outside?
inside.
Here.
Huh.
Right?
Right.
100% you will get the same answer. You will consider first a thin spherical shell. Each shell will give me a field outside, which I will integrate from here till here. Solid sphere का उसी तरह तो calculate किया है.
Right.
100% you will get the same answer.
Okay.
आप लोगों पर पता है how many people have hope? बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मुझे मैसेज किया है from ND1 and ND2. Sir, they have a live lecture today, not online. So they said we'll be missing this lecture. हमें booklet में बहुत सारे doubts है. Either you send us the recording of this. They didn't want the recording. They want me to take it again. So now again I need to take it for them today itself. I was trying to avoid that because since morning I'm taking doubts, since yesterday I'm taking doubts, it's getting pretty boring. It's taking it too long. I told them I'll send the recording of your batch. क्या रिकॉर्डिंग भेजो, एक एक प्रॉब्लम, और उनका तो 10-10 प्रॉब्लम है एक एक एक्सरसाइज में. अब आपका डिस्कनेक्ट करके 2 बजे से उनका लेना पड़ेगा. नहीं किया है आप लोगों ने. कितने डाउट्स होते हैं इसमें. मेजर टेस्ट दे रहे हो सबके सब. शांत और अच्छे बच्चे कर लो यार, मेहनत कर लो. होमवर्क अभी तक खत्म नहीं करोगे जबकि यू नो दिस होल वीक वी डिडंट गो ahead with the syllabus. I was busy covering the syllabus for the other batches. People had a complete week of a gap. और फिर भी होमवर्क खत्म नहीं किया है और वो मेजर टेस्ट में है. करो जल्दी करो. See you people after the major test. Wish you all the best for the major test. and wish you happy weekend.
Sir,
Sir, happy.
sir,
Thank you. Thank you.
sir.